Welcome to our channel. Get ready to explore the top 10 budget-friendly backpacking destinations this year. Let's dive in. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started, we've got some hidden gems that will make your wanderlust go wild without emptying your wallet. From sun-soaked beaches to ancient history, vibrant nightlife to mouth-watering cuisine, these destinations offer the perfect blend of adventure and affordability. So, grab your backpack, put on your explorer's hat, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Stay tuned as we reveal each destination, packed with tips and must-see spots to make your trip unforgettable. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we're jetting off to Lisbon, Portugal. This city is like stepping into a postcard, with its colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and those iconic yellow trams. But here's the kicker. It's crazy affordable. We're talking delicious seafood dinners for like 10 euros, guys. And the history? Don't even get me started. Ancient castles, monasteries, and those narrow, winding streets just oozing with charm. Plus, the nightlife in Lisbon is electric. From funky bars to rooftop clubs with killer views, there's something for everyone. Get lost in those narrow alleys, discover hidden squares, grab a pastel de nata at a local bakery. It's all about soaking up the atmosphere. And trust me, Lisbon's got atmosphere for days. Next up, we're heading to Budapest, Hungary, a city that stole a piece of my heart. This place is like a fairy tale come to life, with its stunning architecture, the majestic Danube River, and those thermal baths. Man, Budapest is incredibly budget-friendly. Hostels for like 10 bucks a night, and the food? Gulyas, langos, chimney cakes, a culinary adventure. Don't forget the ruin bars, unique bars in abandoned buildings, crazy decorations, cheap drinks, and an electric atmosphere. Now, let's travel back in time to Krakow, Poland. This city is a history buff's dream, with its medieval old town, Wawel Castle, and those haunting, beautiful synagogues. You can almost hear the echoes of the past as you walk these cobblestone streets. But Krakow isn't stuck in the past. It's got a youthful energy with quirky cafes, cool art galleries, and a nightlife that's surprisingly affordable. Think craft beers for a couple of bucks and live music spilling out onto the streets. You can easily explore the entire old town on foot, discovering hidden courtyards, charming cafes, and street vendors selling traditional Polish snacks. Get ready for a sensory overload in Hanoi, Vietnam. A whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells awaits you. This city will awaken your senses. Street food lovers, rejoice. Pho and spring rolls for less than $1. Your taste buds will thank you. And the coffee? Simply the best. Delicious iced coffee for less than $1. Perfect after exploring temples and hidden alleys. Hola from Mexico City, a metropolis that pulses with life, color, and contagious energy. This city has it all. Ancient ruins, world-class museums, vibrant markets, and mind-blowing food. You can find street tacos for less than $1 and explore ancient pyramids. The people are warm, welcoming, and always up for a fiesta. Sip mezcal or dance to mariachi music for a guaranteed good time. Get ready to be charmed by Sofia, Bulgaria, a city where ancient history collides with modern energy. This hidden gem is often overlooked, but trust me, it's a destination that deserves a spot on your bucket list. Sofia is a city of contrasts, where ancient Roman ruins stand side by side with modern cafes and trendy bars. You can explore centuries-old churches, wander through bustling markets, and enjoy delicious Bulgarian cuisine without spending a fortune. One of the things that surprised me most about Sofia was how affordable it is. You can find hostels for less than 10 bucks a night, enjoy hearty meals for a few dollars, and even indulge in a traditional Bulgarian spa treatment without breaking the bank. Sofia is a budget traveler's dream. Get ready for an adventure in the clouds, because we're heading to La Paz, Bolivia, the highest capital city in the world. This city sits high in the Andes Mountains, surrounded by breathtaking scenery and a culture that's as unique as it is captivating. La Paz is a city of contrasts, where indigenous traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. You can explore bustling markets, hike to stunning viewpoints, and experience the thrill of riding one of the city's famous cable cars, all while enjoying the affordability that Bolivia is known for. One of the most memorable things I did in La Paz was visit the Witches Market, a fascinating and slightly eerie market where you can find traditional Bolivian remedies, amulets, and even llama fetuses. Get ready to party like it's 1999, without the Y2K worries, in Belgrade, Serbia, a city where history, nightlife, and affordability collide. This vibrant city on the banks of the Danube and Sava rivers is a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. Belgrade is a city that knows how to have a good time. From floating clubs on the river to underground bars hidden in basements, the nightlife scene in Belgrade is legendary. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. It's also a city steeped in history, with ancient fortresses, stunning churches, and museums that tell the story of this fascinating region. Get ready to be transported to a world of senses in Marrakesh, Morocco, a city where the sights, sounds, and smells of the souks will leave you spellbound. This vibrant city at the foot of the Atlas Mountains is a feast for the senses. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Medina, haggle for souvenirs in the souks, and marvel at the intricate beauty of the city's mosques and palaces. One of my favorite things to do in Marrakesh is simply wander through the Jama El Fana Square at night. This bustling square comes alive with storytellers, musicians, food vendors, and a cast of characters that will leave you mesmerized. Get ready for an adventure in the Himalayas in Kathmandu, Nepal, a city where ancient temples meet towering mountains. This spiritual city is the gateway to the Himalayas and a destination that will leave you breathless. You can explore sacred temples, hike to hilltop viewpoints for panoramic views of the Himalayas, and experience the vibrant culture of this fascinating country. One of the most unforgettable experiences I had in Kathmandu was hiking to the Swayambhunath Stupa, also known as the Monkey Temple. This ancient Buddhist stupa sits atop a hill overlooking Kathmandu, offering stunning views of the city and the Himalayas beyond. So there you have it, guys. 10 incredible destinations that prove you don't need to be a millionaire to travel the world. Remember, adventure is out there waiting, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Make sure to subscribe to Hafid Tours and Travel for more travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for coming along on this incredible journey with me. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite budget travel destinations? Share your experiences, tips, and travel dreams in the comments below.